I want to welcome all of the resellers to come to the annual garage sale for Paw Pals in Hill County. We do this every year, and all of the proceeds go to a no-kill shelter in Hillsboro, Texas called Paw Pals. And this place is loaded with amazing finds. Donations come in from all over the Hill County area. Everything from rare Japanese sake warmers to primitive tables that were handmade over 100 years ago. All kinds of amazing things. What you're looking at right now, this is as of Monday. We are taking and setting up donations all the way through Thursday. We will open the sale on Saturday morning at 8 o'clock. And it doesn't hurt their feelings at all if you are a reseller. Your money is as good as anybody's. We would love to have you there. Check out this national register. Everything from electric cars for kids to vintage antique stoves. This is an amazing sale. If you'd like to donate, I'll leave the information in the description.